Hi, in this session we'll talk about how to place a status change order. Whenever a patient gets admitted, they get an admission status order placed. If the patient's condition deteriorates or let's say improves and they didn't meet the initial level of care, a status change order is needed. And the way to place that is to make sure you've selected the Orders tab on the left. You click Add and type in Status Change. And you will find an order called status change. Left click on it once and order sentences open up for the various levels of care. Let's say this patient is an observation patient and they get sicker and they meet a level of inpatient, and so the case manager has asked you to change the status to an inpatient, and so you just select the admit to inpatient sentence. You would click OK, you would click Done, and you would note that there's two details left to be filled out. One, which is the post-discharge plans. One could simply type in home here, and then a diagnosis. And maybe their condition, they had a suspected pneumonia, and now the chest X-ray repeat the next day shows a pneumonia. You would select pneumonia as a diagnosis, and place this, click sign, and it would sign the order off. And so if you clicked refresh here, you would see that there's two orders in the chart. One which says admission status, and it says the patient was in an observation level of care, and then the next order which says status change, and if you hover over that, it says they were admitted for an inpatient stay of 2 or more midnights. So that's how one places the status change order. Thanks.